Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Pacific Biosciences, and I have talked about this stock last month where I have talked about the breakout, the potential breakout which has probably happened, and the stock has moved 27 or 28% since then. But one more thing to understand here is, first of all, you need to understand where actually the breakout happened. Okay, so this was the level of breakout, and because the resistance has crossed, so it will now act as a support at $14.2. Then there is one more thing. So if you are a bit conservative, you can probably wait for $17 to cross or $18 to cross. Once this level has crossed, then it will be a start of a full-fledged trend, or it can probably give you the confirmation. Okay, now so this is the lower end of the range. It requires one need to gather all this information, because these are important aspect of trend analysis, and also when you need to know the support and resistance level. So here we have, and I think this is also required, this one. Okay, so now first, if the stock falls below 14.2, then you will have your next support directly at 8. Then you will have your big support after 8.08, will be in between 2 and 2.3, and the last one is 1.08. So as you can see, the levels are pretty deep and pretty sharp. Okay, so these are the things which you need to know on the downside. And for the first upside to happen, which has already been started, as the breakout happens, or the resistance now become a support above 14.2 has already started now. So if 14.2, or you can say 14, if the stock holds above $14, okay, so there is a probability that it could probably move towards the upper end of the range, or it's a start of a big trend. And one more point which I've already told you, if you are a bit more skeptical about the rally, or if you are risk averse candidate, then you can probably wait for the stock to move above $18, which will give you a further boost to your confidence. Now, as the stock has moved, as you can see, so your previous level for the stock to move from $2 to probably $13, which was your support, it has moved 578%. Now with this breakout, technically we are expecting the same kind of trend to get played out, and the next big target for this particular stock will be or near to $96, or probably it can be 90, it can be 100, so in between 90 and $100. So that's what we are looking at. This is simply conditional, and the way the stock is moving, so if as you can see, this is trading near 16 and 17, you simply put your stop loss at 14, and the level on the upside which you could probably look at, or one could probably see as your big target, will be in between 90 and $100 on the upside. So this is the big target which one need to look at after the big breakout, and let's see how the trend will behave. Obviously you need not to put a timeline, because we are looking at a monthly chart, so it would take couple of months. Okay, whether it will happen in 1 year or 2 year, it doesn't matter, but what does matter is two things: whether the current trend or current support holds, and second, whether the trend is intact. So if this both criteria satisfies, then obviously we will definitely have a big upside in the months and in the years to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.